Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by gathering essentials, 3-5 recurring commitments, and any fixed blocks like commute or sleep. Add those first because they form your backbone. Once done, you'll see real openings. Next, pick your primary calendar source and sign in so entries sync across devices. Enter one recurring event to test settings and notifications. Make sure to set a default reminder time. This gets you from 0 to a usable weekly framework without overthinking details. Now you populate that framework. Drag tasks into specific time slots and estimate how long each will take, because durations force realism. Use color coding, 2 to 4 colors, for priorities or life areas so you scan quickly. Once done, build 10-15-minute buffers between major events to absorb overruns. This reduces stress and missed connections. Also, set reminders for travel or prep. Make sure repeating items copy correctly. These middle steps turn a schedule. To finish, review the coming week and trim or shift low-value tasks so priorities breathe. Once done, confirm durations are realistic and move anything non-essential. Share or export key events with teammates or family so everyone has the same view. If something goes wrong, don't panic. First, toggle calendar sync, check your internet, and re-log in. If that fails, clear app cache or re-add the account. This final sweep keeps your plan reliable and fixes common issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.